Deep in the heart of the Andes Mountains lies one of history's greatest mysteries, the lost treasure of the Inca Empire. Legend speaks of vast hoards of gold, silver, and priceless artifacts, riches that vanished without a trace during the Spanish conquest. But where did it all go? Was it hidden, destroyed, or stolen? Join us as we uncover the secrets of the Inca's legendary treasure and the shocking truth behind its disappearance. At its peak, the Inca Empire was one of the most advanced civilizations in the world. Stretching across modern-day Peru, Ecuador, Bolivia, and Chile, it was a land of breathtaking beauty and unimaginable wealth. The Incas worshipped the sun god Inti, and their temples were adorned with gold, silver, and precious stones. But in 1532, everything changed. Spanish conquistadors, led by Francisco Pizarro, arrived in search of riches. What followed was a tale of greed, betrayal, and one of the greatest treasure hunts in history. That treasure remains lost. Over the centuries, countless adventurers have searched for the lost treasure of the Incas. Some believe it's hidden in the legendary city of Paititi, a mythical golden city deep in the Amazon rainforest. Others think it lies at the bottom of Lake Titicaca, a sacred site for the Incas. But despite modern technology and countless expeditions, the treasure remains elusive. Was it destroyed by the Spanish? Hidden so well that no one can find it? Or does it still lie waiting, buried beneath the Andes? So, where did the Incas' legendary treasure disappear to? The truth may never be known, but the mystery continues to captivate us. If you enjoyed this journey into the heart of the Andes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Hidden Fortunes for more fascinating stories about lost treasures, historical mysteries, and the secrets of the past. Let us know in the comments. Do you think the treasure is still out there waiting to be found? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.